All the single ladies, now put your hands up. Hi guys, I'm back again with another makeup tutorial for you, and this time I'm going to do this look inspired by the Lux Iconic Iris. As soon as I saw the purple color of the Lux Iconic Iris, I knew I wanted to do a dramatic look with it, and as it's so bold and vibrant, and since Women's Day is coming up, and you may know purple is the color of Women's Day, this look is dedicated to all the strong and bold women out there who are rising above it all and being who they are. I've already done 2 makeup looks based on the Lux Perfumed Soap collection. If you want to see them, do check him out. I'll link him down in my description box. And without any further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, so first I'm going to prime my eyes using a concealer, and this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. As you guys can see, I already taped down my eyes so that when I do my eyeshadow, I can create a natural wing. I'm going to set it using powder. Now I'm going to use the Focallure 12 colors eyeshadow palette. This is the Wonder Purple and Blue Luster Dimensions and Glitter. Such a big name. And for the first color, of course, the transition shade, I'm going to go for this taupey light brown color. Take it lightly, start blending it. So I always prefer going with a, a taupey mauvey color, something that's of course matte, not shimmer. Never use a shimmer shade on the crease, and slowly I start building up the color by using a darker color. And now I'm going to take a flat technique brush, very lightly, not too much, and I'm going to darken up the transition shade, create depth in my crease. And from the previous brush, whatever products that's left, due to using the transition shade, I'm going to blend out the darker shade with the transition so that nothing looks harsh. Now I'm going to use the TZ Cosmetics Twilight Eyeshadow Palette. Take this black color in a flat brush, slightly, not too much. And blend it out. Always remember that blending is key. If you accidentally popped in a lot of dark eyeshadow onto your eyes, you can always use a lighter color and go on top of it and smoothen it out. I'm going to take my favorite Q-tip brush and I'm going to use this purple shade, and this brush is perfect for actually getting the real color of the shadow. I'm slowly blending it out. Go on a little more. Now I'm going to take my Sleek Makeup Precious Metal highlighting palette with this cream highlighter shade with a flat brush to basically create a half moon where I'm gonna start a halo onto my eyelids like so. So it's precise. Pull it and drag it across in the center. I'm using this highlighter as a guideline, so to those who never have ever created a halo eye before, this is an easy trick to use this method as a guideline. See, and I'm going to go with this shade, and I'm going to use this highlighter right over here where I created a half moon on the center. This shimmery purple, this is a lighter purple actually, and infuse the halo and the rest of the eyeshadow. And the showstopper of this look is this Folklore Diamond Eye Glitter, you can say. This is basically like a liquid shadow, and this is the #1 diamond. I'm going to use it on the center. So pretty. Take another brush to really blend it out. And take a precise brush and blend it out. Now on the edges, I'm just gonna dab it in with my fingers. Now I'm going to line my eyes using the LA Girl Fine Line, and this is like a fell tip liner. So I went off camera and I finished off my base and the rest of my face. Now I'm going to continue with my eye makeup, and on the lower lash line I'm going to go for this shade again, Smoke It Out. Now I'm going to go and take this shade and darken my lower lash line even more. And take the purple shade and diffuse it on the lower lash line. Now I'm applying mascara on my lower lashes. Now I'm going to go and apply this shade in my inner corners, brow bones, nose, and my entire face as a highlighter. And I'm also mixing this shade and this shade, creating kind of like a champagne color. And now I'm going to do my lips, and for that I'm going to use the Folklore Ultra Chic Lips, and this is in the shade number 9 Tumbleweed. Basically gonna mix 2 shades. And now over this I'm I'm going to use the number 44 Thulian Pink. And while this sits, this is going to get a bit darker. Lastly, I'm going to set my makeup using my MAC Prep and Prime. So thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to like this video, leave a comment, ask me anything you want, and do share this look with your friends, and definitely subscribe to my channel. I mean it. Do click on the subscribe and do turn on the notification bell so you'll get a notification every time I upload a new content. And I'll see you on my next one. Mwah.